Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is Best of Haiti Real Estate. This is Matthew from Best of Haiti Real Estate. What I have here for you today is a two-bedroom apartment for rent inside of Vivy Mitchell. Vivy Mitchell is an exclusive community, private, exclusive, and very secure. These are two bedrooms, two bathrooms, brand new. As you can see, they still have materials on the floor. This is a brand new, nobody lived here before, apartment for rent inside of Vivy Mitchell. This is a two-bedroom, two-bathroom apartment for rent. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a place, this is a must-see place. You need to see this place. It's inside of Vivy Mitchell in Petion-Ville. Two-bedroom apartment for rent. Large bedroom, super large bedroom. Parking, this is brand new. You have space for up to 3 cars to park. This is inside of an apartment complex, very secure, 24/7 security. And as you know, Vivy Mitchell is a private community with high security. Ladies and gentlemen, call us today for us to come show you this apartment. This is an apartment complex, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment for rent in Vivy Mitchell, Petion-Ville. Ciao.